When life hurts, you don't always scream. Sometimes you just go quiet. You stare at the ceiling at night and ask yourself, why me? You smile in front of people, but deep down you're bleeding in silence. It's in those moments that life feels heavy, unfair, and painfully confusing. But my friend, pain is not your enemy. It's your greatest teacher. Pain doesn't come to destroy you. It comes to define you. When life hurts, it's not punishing you. It's preparing you for a version of yourself you haven't met yet. The broken pieces you feel today will one day form the foundation of your strength. You see, every wound carries a whisper of wisdom. Every heartbreak hides a secret of growth. The greatest leaders, thinkers, and dreamers didn't escape pain. They learned how to walk through it. Life will test you not to reveal your weakness, but to uncover your hidden power. You cannot become gold without going through the fire. When life hurts, don't run from the storm. Face it. Rise through it. Because your scars are not signs of shame. They are the marks of survival, proof that you are still standing, still breathing, still becoming. When life hurts, remember this. Your struggle is shaping your strength. Your tears are watering your destiny. And the same life that broke you will one day bless you for not giving up. Because behind every painful season, there's a lesson, a purpose, and a version of you that pain is trying to introduce to the world. Pain is a teacher, not a punishment. Most people think pain means life is against them, that something is broken, that they're being punished for something they can't even understand. But pain isn't there to destroy you, it's there to develop you. Think about the gym. When you lift weights, your muscles hurt, they burn, they scream. But that pain isn't a signal to quit, it's a sign that growth is happening. Without the pressure, without the soreness, there would be no strength. Life works the same way. When your heart aches, when people betray you, when your dreams fall apart, life isn't punishing you. It's preparing you. The truth is, pain introduces you to yourself. You never really know who you are until life pushes you to your knees. You don't know your courage until you face fear. You don't know your strength until you have no choice but to fight. Pain strips away your comfort and exposes your character. It shows you what you're made of. When you lose something or someone, it teaches you what truly matters. When you fail, it teaches you humility. When you're rejected, it teaches you self-worth. Look around. The most powerful people you admire didn't escape pain. They learned from it. They turned wounds into wisdom. They allowed pain to polish them, not poison them. When life hurts, that's your classroom. Every tear is a lesson. Every heartbreak a reminder that you're still alive and capable of growing. Pain doesn't come to stop you. It comes to stretch you. And the deeper the pain, the greater the capacity for purpose that grows within you. So the next time life hurts, ask yourself, what is this pain trying to teach me? Right now, transformation happens through suffering. When life starts breaking you down, it's not because you are weak. It's because life is shaping you into something stronger. Imagine gold inside a furnace. The heat is unbearable. The fire is intense. But that same fire burns away every impurity until all that remains is pure, shining strength. Suffering works the same way. It burns away the parts of you that cannot carry the weight of your destiny. When you lose a job, when someone walks out of your life, when your plans collapse, it's not just loss, it's transformation in disguise. Think of a seed buried in the soil. In the darkness, it breaks, it cracks, it falls apart. But that breaking is not the end, it's the beginning of growth. The seed must go through pressure before it becomes a tree. That's how life transforms you. Suffering digs into your soul, not to destroy it, but to awaken it. It makes you question, it makes you change.